As a busy realtor in Pittsburgh, I'm always around town checking out new businesses, restaurants, and fun things to do. I want to share with you my favorite places and things to do in the South Hills. I'm Shelley Killinger with the Shelley Killinger Group at RE/MAX CSI, and this is South Hills Saturdays. Hey everyone, happy South Hills Saturdays. Today we are in the newest donut shop in the South Hills, and I'm super excited because this one has a history that takes me back to years of summer family vacations. And I'm here with Andy Jarasinski, who's the owner of Duck Donuts. Thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you. I'm glad you're here.
Yes, we're super excited. I can't wait to see how this all works. So, for those people who may not know the brand, tell us a little bit about what does a duck have to do with donuts?
I've had that question before.
I'm sure, right?
So the Duck Donuts actually started in the Outer Banks of North Carolina, in Duck, and it was started in 2006. And I fell in love with it on vacation with my family, and
Guilty as
grew
charged,
from there.
me too, absolutely. So what made you think about bringing it to Pittsburgh?
You know, so there were 5 years in a row that we went to the Outer Banks, and Duck Donuts was our first and last stop, and even some in between each time. And there were many of January where I came home and said, I wish I had some Duck Donuts. And every time we would go, I'd see people from Pittsburgh that I knew, or I met people from Pittsburgh, and I just thought, you know, maybe this is something we should look at.
Right.
And came back in the summer of 2015, and the corporate office is in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania.
Okay.
So we took a ride out and learned more about it and went from there.
The rest is history,
That's right?
Oh,
That's right.
I love it. Well, everything here smells delicious.
Thank you.
And we love the donuts, but you do more than donuts. I just came to discover.
Well, donuts certainly are the core of what we do. We do a breakfast sandwich, which is egg, sausage or bacon, and cheese on a donut, which is sliced down the middle. Some people like that.
It's on a donut.
It can be on a donut, which we slice
goodness.
down the middle. We
Okay.
put any kind of toppings you'd like on it. We've heard rave reviews about it. We do catering. We've done a number of weddings, corporate events. We deliver, we do breakfast sandwiches, and we've got a wide array of coffee and specialty coffee drinks.
Oh, that's perfect. We'll have to try some of that later, I think.
Sounds good.
I know. So you were talking to me earlier, and something resonated with me. You said something about Quack Gives Back.
Yes.
Why don't you tell them a little bit about that?
Yeah, so Quack Gives Back is a program that the organization started, and it really was something that was really appealing to me about giving back to your local community.
Yeah.
So since we've opened, it's been a year and a half now, we've picked a charity that we work with each month, different events throughout the course of a month, different spirit nights. We work with a lot of the school districts, but it's about giving back to the communities that you do business in.
Well, that's huge.
So yeah, it's been fun.
Yeah.
We
I'm
enjoy it.
sure.
And rewarding.
Yeah. Well, I think you're going to show me how to make donuts today, aren't you?
I sure am.
I'm excited to learn. So let's go back and take a look.
Sounds good.
Okay.
So it really all starts with our donut mix, which is a proprietary mix. It's a vanilla cake base.
Okay.
It's made here. Everybody can watch us make it as we're going through, you know, a busy morning or a busy afternoon. It's always being made throughout the day, so it's not made at one certain time. And it's saved for later.
Always fresh.
Always fresh, made to order.
Okay.
And the concept really is you make your own donut. You pick your icings, your toppings, your drizzles, and you go
Well, I
from
love
there.
that. You were talking, you know, I kept saying, where do you come up with the flavors? But you're like, no, it's up to the customer to come up with their own flavor. And I love that. It really is a custom experience.
It sure is.
Cool.
So from there, it moves down to our fryers, where they are.
So down here?
It is.
Oh my goodness.
And those are made,
Look at them.
and the kids love to watch, and the kids and the adult kids all like to watch the donuts being made, and you know that's why we have glass here, so everyone likes to watch the process.
And it smells amazing.
Thank you. And they all come out ready to be moved to the next station, which is our topping station.
Oh, this is awesome.
And as you
so then they
mentioned,
dry off here, yeah?
They do. They kind of cool down a little bit because we want to make sure that they're not too hot, so the icing stays on top and doesn't sink in.
Right.
So you mentioned earlier, all of our icings start with a base that we make here. So we add maple, we add blueberries, we add lemon juice, lemon zest, So they're all made right here on site.
Fresh ingredients. That's kind of cool.
So we've got a number of icings, toppings, and drizzles that you can choose from, but essentially customers can make them any way they like.
That's perfect.
And we've seen some crazy combinations.
Oh, I can't imagine. What's the craziest? Do you remember?
I think it was probably a blueberry with bacon and marshmallow and salted caramel.
Was that a 6-year-old that
No, it wasn't.
Carolyn's
But
like, ugh. That was an adult that did that?
It was. To name a few.
Oh my gosh. Well, and you were saying that you have some seasonal things that you bring in different times of year. So what do you have kind of going on for February?
So for example, right now we have a toffee topping, which is something we haven't offered in the past. It's Heath toffee.
Yeah. Oh, it looks beautiful. Well, I just want to thank you so much for having us out.
Glad to have
this
you.
was so much fun getting to see how everything is made. And guys, if you want more information about Duck Donuts, please check out the links down below. We're going to link up to their menu, we'll link up to their hours so that you can come in and get a fresh dozen. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.